Yeah guys, we now get this box of knives from Saeed from Trini Fishing Crew. Well boy, I'll go fix it up for you. Just let it.
It's a mess.
I seen that. I seen that.
Watch me. Watch it.
Go.
Watch.
Yeah, don't do that. When I finish with it, you can't do that, eh? Don't cut yourself.
Watch my brother. All in knives. All in knives. Watch. Even the high carbon steel. All of them. Even the slicer. But you can see how much I have the German. We have the high carbon steel. We have the bait knife. This is a Japanese knife, and you can see.
I guess in all
the same thing.
But they bring them to the right spot. So
yeah, the number one.
Are we going to sharpen it up there?
Yeah.
Alright, so all done. Rest removed, fish scales removed. Now to sharpen. And with this, we now have a full box of clean, sharp knives. And of course, they're all sharp and ready for action. This is one dangerous box.
So I got back my knives from Zak Sharpening last night. This looked like a very sharp box. Don't think I want to hold these knives in the incorrect form. So we'll do some testing soon and we'll see how sharp these knives are. But I can tell you from how it's sounding, seems to be very sharp. Very clean, very well polished, looks new. Okay, so I got back my knives from Zak Sharpening. The handles were dirty and the blades were rusty. And as you can see, it looks like new. Blades are polished. I have the Dexter deboner, Dexter splitter, I have the Dexter 12-inch butcher, I have the Dexter slicer, 10-inch, 12-inch. This is deboner. I have the 10-inch butcher, 6-inch wide fillet. I have the 8-inch fillet, 8-inch fillet. This is the 6-inch breaker. This is the 8-inch narrow fillet. I have an M-Casa. I use this to cut off the heads of my crow, salmon and shark and whatnot. This is a German steel knife from Mercer, Japanese knife, pardon. And these are my bait knives, Billy Bay, normal bait knife, and this is a F-Dick 6-inch fillet. So this is the lineup here. So interested to see how it passed the paper test. Right, so I'm gonna do some paper tests on the knives. I'll see how it goes. Effortlessly. 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 He's a big bad boy here. Wow. Wow. Even pausing. Wow. Straight up. Wow. Wow.
More paper, look.
Wow. Alright.
That's enough.
Laser sharp. Laser sharp. Number one knife sharpener in the country, Zak Sharpening. The original knife sharpener, Zak Sharpening. Well done. Thanks. Now I could catch my redfish, my grouper, my salmon, my shark, crow, and I have some options here. Thank you very much, sir.